Howdy, everyone. This is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we've got a beautiful apartment here. This is the Katy at Knox, the Katy in Dallas, Texas on Knox Avenue. And this is a studio. It's not a studio to me when it's on the border because it's so big. It's got a huge kitchen, really nice kitchen for a studio. Are you kidding me? This is beautiful kitchen with a lot of space. You got a closet there. You've got a beautiful entry. And then you do have a separated area here too. It's not fully separated, but almost separated. So essentially, you have a really large studio. You can have your TV and things like that, and then your bed and things like that in here, and you've got some great light. And by the way, you've got an enormous, look at this bathroom, and then this enormous closet. Oh my goodness, look at this closet, it's amazing. So really great feel in the studio, and this is in a luxury building, very nice, very high caliber building. So this might be a perfect way for you to come and enjoy the Knox Henderson lifestyle in a luxury building and keep it at a modest price. If you want more information about this or about the Katy in Dallas or just Dallas, finding your perfect Dallas apartment, send me a text. My number's below. Super friendly, easy to work with. I'd love to hear from you.